Most people get this wrong. They think building credit requires loans or credit cards right away, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is believing you need a perfect financial history to start. Because in 2026, credit building is more accessible than ever, even if you are starting from zero. In this video, we are breaking down the best apps to build credit in 2026 from scratch and how you can actually start improving your score step by step. Let's start with the basics. Credit is simply a record of how you handle borrowed money. If you have no credit history, it does not mean you are bad with money. It just means lenders have no data on you yet. Now here's where it gets interesting. Modern apps now help you build credit without traditional loans or high-risk credit cards. They report your payments and activity directly to credit bureaus. Let's break it down step by step. First category is digital banking credit builders. One of the most popular options is Chime. Chime offers a credit builder card that works differently from traditional credit cards. Instead of borrowing money, you move funds into a secured account and use it like a debit card. So if Alex spends $50, that amount is already backed by his own money, making it low risk while still building credit history. But here's the problem most beginners miss. If you don't use the card regularly or make consistent payments, your credit growth will be very slow. Second category is credit builder loan apps. Another strong option is Dave. Dave offers small credit building tools and cash advance features that help establish financial activity. Jake, for example, can use these tools to create consistent repayment history, which is a key factor in credit scoring. Now here's where it gets important. Credit bureaus care more about consistency than amount. Small, steady payments matter more than large one-time actions. Third category is rent and bill reporting apps. Some apps now report your rent or utility payments to credit bureaus. This means even if you never had a credit card, your monthly bills can help you build credit from scratch. Now let's talk about timing. Most people expect credit to build quickly, but in reality, meaningful improvement usually takes a few months of consistent activity. There are no instant results. In a minute, I'll show you a simple 3-step setup that can help you start building credit faster using just one app combination. Now let's simplify everything. The best apps to build credit in 2026 focus on safety, consistency, and reporting your financial behavior to credit bureaus. You don't need loans. You just need activity. Let's summarize clearly. If you are starting from zero, focus on tools like Chime Credit Builder and apps like Dave that help create payment history. Use them consistently, and your credit profile will grow over time. If this helped you understand how to build credit from scratch, make sure to like the video, comment your situation, and subscribe for more simple financial guides.